Hello folks, hey, it's me again. What am I doing over here? I'm going to be using the spinning machine again. The little thing that spins around and tears arms off. I am going to try to make, where is it? I just had the piece. Where was it? There it is. I'm going to try to make another one of these. Here's the original. Why did I make it so big? So I can probably make it a little fatter. But when I grind it down, I don't know how I'm putting the radius on it yet. Don't ask me. I'm not sure. I might just clamp it and do it by hand or whatever. Should I make it using the spinning machine? Probably a lot easier, but I might just make a square end because I don't know what I'm doing with this thing. I don't know how I'm getting this to this, but this fits on. I know it got it to work, so that's what we're gonna do first. But first I'm going to use a piece of this right here, and I'm going to make it on the lathe. So stay tuned and watch what I'm doing here. Maybe I'll try to figure this camera thing out too. Try to get this camera to, come on, stay there. What am I doing here? What am I doing? How does this work? I don't know if it goes like so here. Oh. Let's see. It doesn't stay. This is stupid. Stupid camera. So much for a great camera mount. Alright, let me pause it here and I'll set this up. So maybe I can pretend I know what I'm doing. So stay tuned. Turn this off for a second here. Alright, let me stop it there. Off for a second here. Gotta get my glasses. Dun, 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 dun. Put my full face glasses on here because I don't feel like losing an eye. Working. I think I burned the tip out. I think this cutter's finished. So I think. Let me pause this. Hello, folks. So now the problem with me doing this with Amateur Man here in this cutting thing here is I'm not sure if this cutting tip here worked last time because I have. Where is it? Proof is in the pudding. Where did the pudding go? The pudding is somewhere around here. Where'd it go? Where did the piece go? Oh yeah, here it is. I cut this with this tool last time, and this time it won't even make a dent in it. So then I tried my bandsaw, but the bandsaw blades are too dull, so I gotta change the blade on that. And I would use an abrasive cutoff wheel to cut this off, but it's too late and it's too noisy and it's raining out, and it's probably a good thing it's raining out. So I'm going to continue this later. I have a feeling this is this piece of pure cheap Chinesium right here. It's just a cheap blade. I don't even think I have an extra one. Let me check, because I don't even know if they gave me an extra one with it. All I know is I need this to go in here. Yay! Is it too small? Who knows? Should stay on there. Should be good enough. Part of the good enough gang. And do I have an extra blade for this thing? Cutting blades. I got. Is this an extra one? I don't know. I think these are just cutting tips. Come on. No, I don't have an extra blade. That's I don't have an extra cutoff blade. I don't think I have a really good cutoff blade to begin with, so that sucks. Sucks to be me. So anyway, I gotta chop this off, and who knows? Maybe I'll just weld the damn thing on. Don't know, but that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. This thing. So stay tuned and keep watching. Thanks for watching. Toodles.